everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Arbor account. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.arbor.us and press enter on your keyboard. Arbor.us is a website for Real Floors, which is a company that provides flooring installation, replacement, and repair service across major US markets. To sign up for a new account, click on the Sign Up Now button at the top left. Fill in your first name in the first name text box and then type in your last name on the next. Right where it says email address, enter a valid email address that you have an access to. Type in your contact number on the next field and select your phone type from the drop-down. Select your role from the drop-down next. Select your company from the list. You can also type in your management company over here on the next field. Select your properties on the next field. Fill in the rest of the information as asked in the display and click on the sign up button. Once you do that, your credentials will be emailed to you after your account is ready for online ordering. Now wait for the email from their end in order to finish signing up and creating an account. That is how you'll be able to sign up for Arbor accounts. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.